Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to secure your WordPress site using a free plugin called All-in-One WP Security. So first of all you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Here select plugins and click add new. Now search for All-in-One WP Security and select the first one and click install now and then activate the plugin. Once activated, you should see a tab here called WP Security and some different options. So go ahead and select Settings and click WP Version Info. This option hides your WordPress version to secure your site from people who are trying to scan your website and find what version you are using. So click Save Settings and go to User Accounts. This basically means that you shouldn't have an admin username, because that's a very common username and hackers can test that username with a brute force attack. So I strongly recommend changing the admin username. Next, go to Database Security and change the table prefix to add a layer of protection for a database. But don't forget to make a backup before doing this. And then go down here and select brute force. This allows you to change the login URL and will prevent your site from brute forcing attacks. So in my case I'm going to put log and press Save Settings. But be careful because you need to remember this URL when you are trying to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once done with that, go to the last tab and select Users Enumeration. This will prevent hackers to enumerate users from your site, and it's very important to enable this option. Okay, so now let's switch to my Kali machine and make some quick tests to see if I have secured the site. So I'm going to open a terminal and type wp scan-u and put the local website address to scan my site. And you can see the version cannot be detected. Now let's try to enumerate users by typing wp scan-u for the URL and then -- enumerate u for users and press enter. As you can see, no usernames were found. That means the plugin has secured the site for this type of scanning. And lastly, let's perform a brute force attack using the following command: wp scan-u -- word list, and I'm going to drag and drop the word list here. Then type -- username admin, which is the login name for my site, and press enter to start the brute force attack. Now the attack is failing, which means that my site is more secured. So that's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.